Haven, fully furnished studio apartments at Nerul, Coco Beach, North Goa, starting from 62 lakhs at a short rental up to rupees 20,000. Terms and conditions apply.
तांकां आपयला ते SIT लँड ग्रॅबिंग एक्चुली आमची हेडेड बाय आवर SP क्रायम आणि ते स्वता ते केसीक लक्ष दिवन पळयता. सगळ्यात पयली समेस्त गोंयकारांक चवथीची उणीत परबी फाल्यां चवथ आज खरें म्हणल्यार तयेचो उत्सव बऱ्याच जाणांच्या घरांत मनयता. त्या खातीर फाल्यां गणपतीचें आगमन आनी फुडले 10 दीस खूब व्हडा प्रमाणात गोंयांत चवथ घरांतल्यान आनी सार्वजनीक हातूंतल्यान सेलेब्रेट जाता. चवथीच्या निमित्तान स्वयंपूर्ण चतुर्थी बाजार आमी गोंयांत जवळपास 30 जाग्यांचेर सुमार स्वयंपूर्ण चतुर्थी बाजार हो सेलेब्रेट केलो आनी पयलींच फावटी ह्या स्वयंपूर्ण चतुर्थी बाजाराक खूब बरो रिस्पॉन्स वेगवेगळे कडल्यान आमकां मेळ्ळो. सगळ्यांत चड चतुर्थी बाजाराक म्हणजे मडगांव हांगासर खूब व्हडलो रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळो. एप्रॉक्सिमेटली सेल 50,000च्याय वयर सेल तेंचो ह्या बाजारांतल्यान जातालो. तेज्या उपरांत फोंड्या आसतलो, म्हापसा, शिरोडा, अस्नोडा ह्या सगळ्या जाग्यांचेर चतुर्थी बाजाराक खूब मोठो रिस्पॉन्स आमकां मेळ्ळो. खूब जाणांनी आमचे तालुका नोडल ऑफिसर आनी स्वयंपूर्ण मित्र हांच्यांनी खूब जाणांक ह्या चतुर्थी बाजारांत इनवॉल्व करून घेतले आनी पयलींच फावटी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट स्टॉल आमच्या सगळ्या भयणीक आनी भावाक एवेलेबल करून दिल्ल्या कारणान स्वीट्स आनी माटोळीचें सामान हाज्या पासून सगळ्यो गजाली चतुर्थीच्या बाजारांतल्यान दिवपा खातीर शक्य जालें. ह्या बाजारांत जवळपास 250च्या पेक्षाय चड वेंडर्स हे इनवॉल्व जाले आनी तांच्यांनी आपआपल्यो वेगवेगळ्यो म्हणजे स्वीट्स आयटम पासून माटोळीचें सामान हे विकपा खातीर तांच्यांनी ह्या बाजारांत तांच्यांनी इनवॉल्वमेंट केली. हांव परत एकदां समेस्तांक सगळ्या गोंयकारांक म्हणजे प्रेस मिडिया भावाक तांच्यांनी फाटले कितलेशेच दीस आमकां वेगवेगळ्या माध्यमांतल्यान प्रसिद्धी दिवपाक ह्या स्वयंपूर्ण चतुर्थी बाजाराकूय मदत केली. त्या बद्दल सगळ्यांचे आभार मानता आनी गोंयकारांनी स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय करपाचो हेतूत स्वयंपूर्ण चतुर्थी बाजारूय हो एक माध्यम हे पळोवन तेंच्यांनी सपोर्ट केलो त्या बद्दल तांकां धन्यवाद म्हणटा. SIT लँड ग्रॅबिंग हे सुरू करता आसतना म्हाका दिसता समेस्त गोंयकारांक खबर आशिल्लें. सुरवातीकच ही केस एक सामान्य मनीस कंप्लेन घेवन मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन येता आनी आपल्याक आपली लँड म्हणजे खूब मोठ्या आपल्याचेरूच एक इन्कम टॅक्साची व्हडली नोटीस आयल्या. ही स्वता म्हाजे कडेन कंप्लेन करता आनी ती केल्या उपरांत हांवें डायरेक्ट केली की ताजेर कितें विचार करचो म्हणजे ताजेर डिसिजन्स कशे घेवचे. AG DGP ह्या सगळ्यां कडल्यान डिस्कस केल्या उपरांत SIT फॉर द लँड ग्रॅबिंग ही आमी एस्टाब्लीश केली आनी द डे वनच्यान हांवें कंटिन्युअसली मॉनिटर करीत आसा आनी त्या खातीर राज्यांत कसल्याच पद्दतीची लँड ग्रॅबिंग जे आसा पळय म्हणजे आमी म्हणटा की जाका नो मॅन लँड हांवें म्हटलें. गव्हर्मेंट लँड आसतली, प्रायवेट लँड आसतली, कम्युनिदाद लँड आसतली, वेगवेगळ्या पद्दतीच्यो लँड्स आतां पर्यंत ज्यो ग्रॅब करीत आसा ती लँड कोणाकूच ग्रॅब करपाक दिवचे ना. ताच्या खातीर SIT लँड ग्रॅबिंग हे आमी लँड ग्रॅबिंग एस्टाब्लीश केली आनी ताजी डिटेल्स डे वनच्यान मॉनिटर करता. हांव फुडें वयच्या पयलीं म्हणजे आतां पर्यंत SIT लँड ग्रॅबिंगाचेर कितें जालां हें थोडक्यात आमचे IGP तुमकां एक्सप्लेन करता. अब सगळे जाल्या उपरांत लास्ट मैं ब्रीफिंग हिंदी में जो कुछ हुआ है उसके बारे में लास्टली मैं हिंदी में ब्रीफ करूंगा पूरा प्रेस.
As you are aware, Honorable CM has ordered to constitute an SIT into the alleged land grabbing, and till date we have already arrested 15 accused persons, including the main culprit, associates, government officials, and others. I have already briefed you about that land grabbing, and there are already 93 properties identified. 2 are about to be identified, and over 1.5 lakh square meter land is in question. As already spoken by the Honorable CM, in this land, some of the land belongs to the real owners, to whom how it is to be given back, and certain part of land is that where we are yet to find the actual owner. What is to be done for that land, it is to be decided by the government. So after 15th June, when the SIT was constituted, till date we are investigating 40 cases, and its headquarters has been established in Ribandar. And apart from the police, we do have the members of the archaeology as well as the revenue department into the SIT. These 93 landed properties are in the villages of Asgaon, Anjuna, Nerul, Kalangut, Parla, and part of that is in the south. Out of these 93 properties, already we have received 26 properties complaints, but 67 properties are yet to be get a complaint from the authorized complainants. Though we have received over 230 petitions, but we are yet to identify whether they are the real owners or some of them are the third party ones. And the process is on. During the course of investigation, it is also revealed that the officials of the revenue department, that is Mamladar, has been cited as accused in the complaint, and in the 3 FIRs, their names have been cropped in. In many cases, the accused have succeeded in carrying out mutations based on the false, fake, fraudulent document, and in some cases also sold these properties to the prospective buyers. In many cases, claimants, complainants and their legal heirs have also filed civil suits, but it is not in our purview, so we have left the part of the civil suits to the civil courts. SIT is currently investigating 40 cases, which include 65 properties and also government property and Ogun Sangwen, of which around 71 sales seats have been executed by the accused persons. I need not to read out the 15 names, as the media knows all the 15 names.
You want the 15 names to be read out? You know.
Not, sir. Just not.
We'll circulate that names only.
And intensive efforts are on to trace the absconding accused, whether they are in India or outside. We are opening the LOCs for the accused which have been fled away from the India, and we have formed several teams to nab the accused, those who are in India. The relevant certified original documents pertaining to alleged fraudulent mutations, faulty succession deeds are being obtained for further investigation in each crime by the SIT, and certified copies of the relevant documents from the archive and Directorate of Social and Survey and Land Records are being obtained to verify the inscription description of the Portuguese era of the properties involved. For that, we have already hired an expert who is well versed in the Goan language, Portuguese language and English language. The call details, that is the technical surveillance, we have already arrested a few accused based on the technical surveillance, and human intelligence is also cropping part with the artificial intelligence. The specimen signature, thumb impression, handwriting of the accused are being taken for investigation purposes, and some of the witnesses are also have been sent for the 164 statement into the court, so that it establishes the veracity of the police investigation. The services of the representatives of the revenue and the archives is also availed for assisting the investigation of these cases by the SIT. Right now, we have already formed one more team under the DSP crime for identifying and measuring those lands involved in question. Thank you very much.
Any complaint has been registered?
Just wait. Regarding the same SIT, I am making a further announcement. That is, under the Commission of the Inquiries Act 1952, in this regard, we have appointed Justice V.K. Jadhav, the former judge of the High Court of the Mumbai. We have appointed as the Commissioner of the Inquiry in this case. His terms of reference is to inquire and fix the responsibility in all cases of grabbing of the private and any other land in the state of Goa, and to find out the involvement of the government officers and any other public functionaries and the private individuals in such land grabbing. To inquire and find out the loopholes, deficiencies, lacuna, negligence in the administrative systems and legal framework which led to the such large-scale land grabbing. To recommend the government the steps, measures, action to change the administrative system, the legal framework for the purpose of avoiding cases of the land grabbing in future. To recommend the change in law for preventing the such land grabbing in future. The report recommendation of the Commission should be completed and submitted within a 4 month for the date of the within a 4 month from the date of the first sitting of the commissioners. So that we are appointing the Justice V.K. Jadhav, the former judge of the High Court, as the Commissioner of Inquiry in the land grabbing matter. Government खूप सिरियस असा, ताकाच लागून लँड ग्रॅबिंग मॅटरात आमकां सगळ्यो केसीस जाता तितके बेगीन फायनलायज करपाक जाय म्हणून आमी कमिशनर ऑफ द इन्क्वायरी सेटअप केल्लो आसा. दिस इज रिगार्डिंग द लँड ग्रॅबिंग. 4 महिन्या भितर अहवाल. SIT कडल्यो सगळ्यो आशिल्ल्यो केसीसान ज्या ज्या जाग्याचेर आमी म्हणटा फुडल्या लँडाच्या बाबतींत कितें इन्क्वायरी करपाक जाय हाच्या संदर्भांतल्यो सगळ्यो गजाली ज्यो आसा त्यो कमिशनर ऑफ द इन्क्वायरीज हाच्या कडेन वयतल्यो. हांव परत एकदां सांगता, इतक्यान सोंपोंक ना, त्या खातीर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशनान तूं आनी हांव लक्ष घालया नाका, तें तांकां करून. आमी कितले एग्रेसिव्ह आहे तुका दाखोवन आसतले. हांव परत एक सांगता, कोणाची नांवां आसूनी सगळ्यांची इन्क्वायरी जी जावपाची आहा पळय न्ही त्या पद्दतीन ती इन्क्वायरी जातली. हांवें परत एक सांगता.
सर, हाऊ मेनी अप्रॉक्सिमेटली हाऊ मेनी abscond आउट ऑफ कंट्री असतील, किती लोक असतील
आत्ताच्या घडीक सांगपाक जायना, इन फ्युचर कळटलें. आता वेगवेगळ्यो कंप्लेनी आहा तेजेर आतांच्या आयच्या डेटीत आमी हें सांगूं शकना की अमक्योच कोमुदाद लँडीचेर आसा, अमक्योच गव्हर्मेंट लँडाचेर आसा, अमक्योच प्रायवेट लँडाचेर आसा, हे आयच्या घडीक सांगूं शकना. ज्यो आसा ह्यो व्हेरीफाय करप, तेजेर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन सगळी सुरू आसा. ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड. No. Commissioner of the inquiries from the first sitting that we have just now we have appointed. So he'll come and he'll start his office in the state of Goa.
How much staff will be provided for the?
तेका जो गरज आसा तितको स्टाफ आमी दितले.
But how much staff is essential?
तेका रुटीन जो स्टाफ कितें आसा 8-10 स्टाफ जो लागता तेजे ऑफिस सेटअप करपा खातीर तितको स्टाफ तेका दिलो वयतलो. मुंबय हायकोर्टाचो जज आसा. हांव रेस्ट्रिक्टेड टू द SIT खातीर आसा. ओके, हांव थोडेशें ताका हिंदीन एक्सप्लेन करपाक जाय. हिंदी एकूच मिनिट. इट इज सिंगल वन मैन कमीशन. सबसे पहले आज की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस तो हमने SIT के लिए ली थी. SIT लैंड ग्रैबिंग जो हमने स्टेट में एस्टेब्लिश किया है, इसके लिए आज की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस थी. गोवा में गणेश चतुर्थी फेस्टिवल है, बहुत बड़ा फेस्टिवल रहता है. हर घर में गणेश जी का पूजन रहता है और सार्वजनिक तरीके पे भी गणेश चतुर्थी रहती है. मैं सबसे पहले गोवा के लोगों को गणेश चतुर्थी की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ. और गणेश चतुर्थी के अवसर पर हमने जो स्वयंपूर्ण चतुर्थी बाजार जो पूरे गोवा में सभी तालुका में जो लगाया था, इसमें बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स लोगों से मिला. विच इज एन सेल्फ रिलायंट फॉर द स्टेट. जो हमारा स्वयं माननीय मोदी जी के आत्मनिर्भर भारत, इसी के कंसेप्ट के ऊपर हमने स्वयंपूर्ण गोवा बोल के जो कंसेप्ट स्टार्ट किया फ्रॉम द 2 अक्टूबर 2020 से. आत्मनिर्भर भारत we implement in the state. We have started with the Swayambhurna Chaturthi Bazaar, Swayambhurna Goa. On the same line, we have established the Swayambhurna Chaturthi Bazaar. बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स हमें लोगों से मिला. तो इसलिए मैं लोगों का आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ और चतुर्थी की बहुत बहुत अच्छी शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ. We had established the it is an SIT for the land grabbing on the 15th of June 2022. There are so many cases which are registered under the SIT. It is approximately the 111 cases have registered. Till now the 93 properties under the SIT we have received the complaints, and altogether 15 people were arrested. Means altogether these persons are the private persons. 1 year 2 persons they are the government servant also we have arrested. Now so many investigations are going on under this, and today we are announcing that we are appointing the Commission of the Inquiries under the Commission of Inquiry Act 1952. Sri Justice V.K. Jadhav, the former judge of the High Court of the Mumbai, appointed as the Commission of Inquiry in this SIT for the SIT land grabbing. Our investigation is going under the SIT land grabbing SP crime, which is headed by for the SIT land. इसके अंदर हमारी अच्छी तरह से और the terms of reference which already I have given the terms of reference also for this purpose. ओके थँक्यू.
बॉम्बे बाजार तरेकवार साड्यांचो खजिनो असपी गोयचे नामनेचे ठिकाण बॉम्बे बाजार. साड्यो स्वता खातीर घ्या किंवा भेट म्हणून दिया. तुमच्या पसंतीच्यो सगळ्यो साड्यो आमच्या दालनान आसा. पारंपारीक साडी, डिझायनर, सिल्क, लेहंगा माफक दरान उपलब्ध. तशेंच स्टिचिंगची सोय. सगळे सण आता लागीं पावला. आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.